You can probably forget everything you thought you knew about virtual assistants. Seriously, we're not talking about some simple chatbot that can set a timer for you. Today, we're diving into a completely new kind of AI. Think of it like a conductor for your entire digital life, an orchestrator that handles every single task, email, and meeting from just one command. Just think about it for a second. The last time you had to schedule a simple meeting. You get an email, right? So you open your calendar in a new tab. Then you've got to search for their contact info in another app. Before you know it, you're juggling like 5 different windows just to find a 30-minute slot. It's this constant digital juggling act, and honestly, it's exhausting. Well, there's actually a name for this kind of digital whiplash. It's called context switching. And every single time you switch between apps, you lose a tiny piece of your focus. It might not seem like a big deal, but when you add up all those tiny moments over a day or a week or a whole year, you're looking at a massive drain on your productivity. It's basically death by 1,000 digital paper cuts. So what's the antidote to all this digital chaos? Well, imagine having a centralized orchestrator for your entire work life. An AI assistant that actually understands complex, multi-step tasks from a single, natural command. You just tell it what you need, and it intelligently figures out how to get it all done for you. I mean, this slide really says it all, doesn't it? Over on the left, that's us, right now, tangled up in this web of digital chores. But on the right, that's the future. One simple command to your AI assistant, and all that chaos just untangles itself. And this isn't just about being more efficient, it's about getting your mental space back. Let's look at how this actually works in the real world. Say you need to schedule a meeting. Instead of opening 3, maybe 4 different apps, you just send a quick voice note or a text message. And from that one single command, the AI finds the contact, it creates the calendar event, and it sends the invite. It all just happens seamlessly in the background while you're already moving on to your next task. Okay, but here's where it gets really smart. This thing has a memory. It remembers your previous conversations, so you don't have to keep repeating yourself over and over. It totally gets the context of your requests, which makes it feel like a real partner, not just another tool. So what does that memory actually look like in practice? Well, let's say you just scheduled that meeting. A few minutes later, you realize, oh, I need to push it back. No problem. You just say, push that meeting back an hour. And boom, it knows exactly which meeting you're talking about. It's like having a conversation with a human assistant who is always, always on the ball. And believe me, we are just scratching the surface here. This AI can handle a whole slew of admin tasks. Need to reply to an email? It'll do it in the right thread, no problem. Want to flag a message as high priority? Consider it done. It can even scan your calendar, figure out your free slots, and email your availability to a colleague. It's like having this super-powered executive assistant right at your beck and call. Okay, so we've seen how this AI can totally streamline all your admin work. That's great. But what about the bigger stuff? The tasks that require more creativity, more deep thinking. Can an AI assistant really help you with the work that truly matters? The answer to that is a huge yes. And it all starts with research. See, before this AI can help you create anything, it first needs to understand. So it basically transforms into your personal research assistant, scouring the web to gather the best, most relevant info on any topic you throw at it. And listen, we're not talking about a simple Google search here. This AI has a whole arsenal of research tools at its disposal. It can pull from Wikipedia for that foundational knowledge, check Hacker News for the latest tech trends, and it uses incredibly powerful tools like the SERPer API to dig deep into the web. This means you're getting information that's not just relevant, but actually reliable. Now, here is where things get truly mind-blowing. After it's done all that research, this AI can take all of that information and synthesize it into a complete, well-structured blog post. I'm talking a full article with proper headings, all formatted in HTML, and it even cites its sources for you. It's like having a research assistant and a ghostwriter all in one. And the best part? The delivery is just perfect. It doesn't just spit out a giant wall of text. No, it takes that fully formatted article and places it directly into a draft in your email. All you have to do is give it a quick once-over, maybe a little tweak, and hit send. A task that used to take hours of research and writing can now be done in minutes. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, almost too good to be true. But what happens when it messes up? I mean, is this some delicate piece of tech that's going to crumble at the first sign of trouble, or is it actually built to be reliable? And this, right here, is what sets this AI apart from everything else.
A typical virtual assistant, it just gives up when it hits a roadblock, and it leaves you completely in the dark. But this one, it's different. It's built with smart error handling, so if it can't find an email, it'll actually try a different approach. And if it still can't figure it out, it tells you exactly what went wrong. This isn't just some cool demo. It's a tool that's ready for the real world. It's production ready.
And you know what's really cool? This AI is built to evolve. Think of it like a set of digital Lego blocks. As new AI tools and technologies come out, they can just be plugged right into the system. This means your assistant is only going to get smarter and more capable over time. It's not just a tool for today, it's a platform for the future. So what's the bottom line here? This isn't just another app to clutter up your phone. It's a completely new way of working. It's a single, intelligent layer that sits on top of all your existing tools, letting you conduct your entire digital life with a single command. So I'll just leave you with this one thought. When all the boring, tedious, time-consuming stuff is just handled, what will you do with all that newfound time and mental energy? What are the big, bold ideas that you'll finally have the space to explore?